And what we want to hear from you is that one special bond that you share. Out of the many special bonds you share, that one personal bond that you would like to share with us, and why is that a special bond?
I think, and of course, a lot of people who are on, watching this live, know what is going on in India right now. So much of trauma, so much of, so much of events are going on at everybody's house, and I've gone through recently. Is with my dad. So he was diagnosed with COVID in early March, 1st or 2nd of March, and then he was in 22 days in ICU. We almost lost him, but with strong prayers and everybody's service, we were able to save him. And after 22 days, when we brought him home, I mean, he was in a vegetative state. I mean, he couldn't move by himself. He still needed oxygen, high flow of oxygen. So you can understand he can't even move for regular stuff, which we find it very regular, right? Getting freshened up and all that. So first day we bought a board boy because we did not know how to basically clean him, how to give enema, how to basically do everything. And second day I did not get the ward boy. I said, I'll do it myself, and my dad was aghast. Please, don't do all this. And I told him, I said, I've seen you doing this to my grandmother. When my grandmother was very sick for 2 years, she was doing all the cleaning, everything. And now it is my privilege to do the same to you. Please allow me. And I think that was the movement, and it was a spurt of a movement, right? I mean, I don't know how I got those words, but that is something which I found that is what relationship meant to me. That special bond with him, with my grandparents, with everybody. And I realized no matter what you achieve in your corporate life, no matter where you do, how much money you earn, you cannot substitute these kind of bonds, these kind of achievements, ever in life. And by God's grace, now he's better. After almost 15-20 days of that privileged service, he's finally started going by himself. But I think that is the best thing I've ever done.
You know what? You brought tears in my eyes, Abhishek. I am so touched, moved, and inspired by what you shared. And I think, yes, it's a privilege to I love that word privilege, not as a duty. It's a privilege. And I think the minute we start looking at our relationships and serving them the way you picked this up, I think that's the beauty. Thank you for being so candid. Thank you for sharing. And stay with us, Abhishek. We're going to have some more sharing of our friends, and we're going to listen to what's the special bond they share. So may I request Navneet to come up on the stage and share with us that one special bond that he has.
Hi Kalpesh, thank you.
Hi Navneet.
Let me remind you that let me remind you that we are also completing almost 25 years, and I still remember when first time we met in the classroom. You entered the classroom with your father, and
yes,
we were all wondering that how in a small time town a Bombay person is doing. And then within few months you change everything. You used to take head on all the professors, and all the professors were like, from where has this boy come? And when we had our first holidays, I remember it was Puja holidays, Diwali, and we didn't went to home. We went to Melghat trekking expedition, and we enjoyed a lot over there. I think that was the first time you convinced me that however bad a singer I am, but I should sing in public. So that was the first time I sang a song in public. And after a few months I was traveling with you. Sorry? You were
No,
saying
go
something.
ahead, Navneet.
Yeah. And
I was
after a
just
few months, I was
remembering the
traveling. That was from film Machis.
Yes,
Chappa Chappa Charkha Chale.
yes.
And then after a few months, I was traveling with you to Mumbai. First time in my life in a general bogie. So we had a lot of moments when I realized that yeah, this is life. These are the people with whom you can share everything. Like you are the person with whom I like to share every my happiness or sorrow. Whenever I feel low, I try to call you up, and whatever time it is, you have always responded. I remember when I came to Mumbai in search of job, I said that I have these deficiencies, so I will not be able to get a good job. And you sat with me, discussed all the points, and in few moments you converted all my weaknesses into my strong points. So that time the motivation you gave me, that is still with me.
Thank you, Navneet. I think it was your willingness to take it the way we were sharing it, and I think your willingness.
But the thing is, the way you move, like I remember when I moved to a different college for some specialization purpose, and it was my birthday, and suddenly my door knocked, and when I opened the door, you were standing. So you didn't have the fare at that time. I remember you borrowed money from a TT and came to wish me birthday. How can I forget that?
Yeah, I think.
So these type of things, not everybody does. So that makes you a very, very special person in my life.
Thank you, Navneet, and I think
Thank you for being in my life.
Thank you so much, Navneet, and I completely resonate, reciprocate the feelings that you've shared. Because I think, today in my top list of people that I share a special bond, I think they are all here. So Abhishek, yourself, and it's a privilege for me and Shalaka to be in your company, because I know that all I need to do is just a phone away, and I think that's what makes this relationship wonderful. Thank you for being here and sharing your thoughts with us. So stay tuned, Navneet. I'm going to now call upon my sister, somebody who has seen me for all my life and tolerated me, if I may call it, for all the nonsense that I have done. But she's somebody who I love, and I cherish my relationship with her. She is my elder sister, but I think the love, the respect, the care that she provides, I have immense faith with regards to and respect for the love that she provides to me. Thank you, Ami. Please share with us that one special bond that you cherish, and why do you do that?
Hello.
Yes, Ami, when we can listen to you, please.
मैं हिंदी में बात करूँगी.
Please.
हाँ. रिलेशनशिप तो बहुत सारे हैं, बट स्पेशल रिलेशनशिप आप बोलना चाहिए तो इट्स उमा बेन, जिनको मैं 2011 में मिली थी. शी इज माई नेबर. नाउ आई एम शिफ्टेड टू बोरीवली, बट देन टू मेरे को कभी भी कुछ तकलीफ है या कुछ प्रॉब्लम है हूँ या कोई फंक्शन है तो मेरे को नीड है, तो उनको सिर्फ एक फोन जाना चाहिए. बच्चों ने भी फोन किया कि मम्मी बीमार है, तो अर्ली मॉर्निंग शी इज बोरीवली. वो जरा भी नहीं सोचती कि वाशी से बोरीवली कितना दूर होगा, क्या है, नथिंग, कि मेरे घर में क्या कंडीशन, नथिंग. बस अम्मी बहन को मेरी जरूरत है तो शी विल कम. और मैं वाशी में रहती थी, तो मेरा 1 महीना पैर फ्रैक्चर हुआ था. तो 1 महीना भले वो बाजू में रहती थी, बट उनका घर का करके दिल्ली 9:30 मुझे चाय नाश्ता कराने आ जाती थी, क्योंकि मैं बेड ईटर थी। मेरे को उठ के खाना नहीं बनाना था। मेरे लड़की जॉब पे जाती थी, लड़का कॉलेज पे जाता था, बट उसने एक भी दिन आलस नहीं किया कि नहीं आई विल नॉट गो, कि मैं नहीं करूंगी। तो 9:30 का 9:45, बट शी शुड कम डेन और आके मेरा चाय नाश्ता करा के वो बर्तन बिर्तन करके दोपहर की खाने की तैयारी करके फिर वापस अपने घर पे जाके अपना काम करो। बाकी मेरे सारे बहुत रिलेशन है, लाइक कल्पेश, पापा, मेरे फ्रेंड, बट दिस इज द स्पेशल रिलेशन कि आज की डेट में भी आई कैन शेयर विद हर एनीथिंग। उसको कभी भी चाहिए तो मैं बुला सकती हूँ, एंड शी इज अवेलेबल फॉर मी एनी टाइम।
सुपर। तेरा और एक भाई भी यहीं पर है अमी, नवनीत भी यहीं पर है ऑनलाइन।
हाँ, वही मैं बोल रही हूँ ना, नवनीत, कल्पेश, तुम लोग वो दे वी आर इन रिलेशन, बट उसका तो लाइक शी वाज नेवर ऑन, पता ही नहीं कि कब वो मेरी बहन बन गई या मेरे दिल में बस गई।
राइट, नहीं वंडरफुल है ना। मैंने देखा है आपका और उमाबेन का रिलेशनशिप, एंड आई थिंक आई रियली ट्रेजर दैट। जितना सेल्फलेस आप और वो दोनों एक दूसरे के लिए हो, जितना केयर एक दूसरे के लिए है, एंड आई थिंक द सरेंडर देयर इज, मुझे कभी याद नहीं है कि उसमें अगर एक दूसरे ने कभी ये तुलना की हो कि अरे मैंने आपके लिए क्या किया, आपने मेरे लिए क्या किया। इट वाज ऑलवेज देयर। सो थैंक यू,
नेवर।
थैंक यू, एंड अमी थैंक यू स्पेशली फॉर शेयरिंग दिस रिलेशनशिप। हम अपना पेरेंट्स, सिबलिंग्स, फ्रेंड्स शेयर करते हैं। दिस इज एन एलिमेंट ऑफ neighbors who have now reached that level of relationship, and I think that's the beauty. So thank you for sharing that, Ami. आप हमारे साथ बने रहिए। We have one more friend, Sagar, who is now going to come and share. So Sagar, may I request you, our technician, our back-end person, our creative person, and also one of our very close friends. Hi Sagar.
Kalpesh. Hi. Thank you very much for this amazing initiative, and Abhishek, you touched me, brother. You touched me when you use the word privilege, because that's really amazing, and it's worth where people actually look at relationships in this age at this thing like this, and that makes a lot of difference. Navneet sharing wonderful things with Kalpesh. I remember when I went to college, Kalpesh was the one who came and dropped me. So yeah, I share and cherish my friendship with him for such a long time. And I remember talking him so many stupid things, and he's been calm enough to be a very good listener. So one thing I cherish with Kalpesh is listening for me, because I believe only when you are a good listener, you actually are connected. So yeah, very amazing initiative. And I cherish my relationship very strongly with my mother. She's been a powerhouse to me, and of course now Mansi is sharing that love and energy with me. So yeah, celebrating relationship is really an amazing initiative, and I cherish those moments with my mom and my wife. Of course, Kalpesh being a great listener. Thank you.